I'm going to share with you today 5 proven remote sites or Google sites for you to earn $150 daily using Google tools and Google platforms. These strategies include Google Gemini, ChatGPT, Google Trends, Google Search, and YouTube ads. Hello lovelies, good morning, good afternoon, good evening from wherever you're watching us from. Welcome back to Immaculate Show channels. I don't take it for granted for you to be with us. Thank you very much for choosing us. Really, it is not easy, so you are not just ordinary. I'm going to share with you today 5 proven remote sites or Google sites for you to earn $150 daily using Google tools and Google platforms. These strategies include Google Gemini, ChatGPT, Google Trends, Google Search, and YouTube ads, among others. Whether you're looking for a side hustle or you're you want to have something to be full-time remote job or gig, these methods will help you make money efficiently and effectively. But before we dive in, this is a disclaimer, you guys. Making money online is not just to come and make money. It is dedication. It involves a lot of things. So if you know that you've been putting some things and you try them once or twice and you give up, please press harder. There is no any work that you're going to go and find money just pressed like that. Let's dive into the first one. The first one is earn with Google Gemini. I don't know how Gemini is Gemini. This is all powered solutions, you guys. If you've not used it, please reach near. First, what you need to do, you need to go to Google Gemini, whereby you can find it on all your browsers. So Google advanced system designed to compete with the tools like ChatGPT. I can say it is designed to compete with tools like ChatGPT because of different reasons. Gemini is excellent for creating content. Even it is also excellent in automating workflows and even developing apps. I've used Gemini to search a lot of things, like for example, I was searching for the most trending topics. I put most 20 trending topics and it gave me the topics that were so beautiful. So let's go together. You can even see it on our screen how you can use it and how do you earn from this Google gaming. You can call it gaming, but I call it Gemini. The first way to earn from it is content creation services. This app or this one, it generates very beautiful blog post and even it develops marketing materials and even social media content for clients. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr are perfect to offer these services. So when you have this app, when you have this platform Google Gemini, you will not suffer. You will just use it and create your content in different ways. Recently, if you notice, my posts are much better than before. I do use Google Gemini and other tools to make sure that I bring in the flow of words are okay, the tenses, the grammar is very good. Then the second way under Gemini is automation consultation. Gemini can streamline business operations and many small business owners are willing to pay to help them out, you guys, even if you're the one. They offer consultation, like for example, most of it is around 50 to 150 per session. So it is just easy for you, like with 2 to 3 and 5 okay, let's say 2 to 3 tasks, you can easily make $150 in a day. Please remember that if you start today, you might not get the $150. So it is a process, you have to build it. The second way to earn from Google is leverage ChatGPT for passive income. This is one of the darling that I've used, and you really know it works and it has worked for me. If this week I earned $150, 170 something dollars, I contribute almost all of it to ChatGPT. Now let's move and see, how do you think it can work? This one, it works beautifully alongside Google tools. ChatGPT can help you create digital products, you guys. I've done my book with ChatGPT. I quote them on where. So this one, it can help you to do things like ebooks, online courses. All my courses, I'm using ChatGPT. All the master classes I'm using ChatGPT. Even it can also help you to make templates to sell platforms. Now it helps you to make a book. How much is a book on Amazon? How much are you going to put there? And if you put it on Amazon, you're not going to spend a lot of money for you to make it. So it can also help you on promoting your books and your products on Gumroad, and it's even your own website. Like what I'm using now on my own website, it's ChatGPT. These are examples. You can even write ebooks using ChatGPT, and you can also do some topics like the one I did. All my topics like how to start online business 2025, I've already done it. It is soon to be out. I've used Google Trends to find popular topics, and I feel even this one is one of the topics that was gotten out of ChatGPT. So when I'm doing this, I find myself earning around $10 to $20 per one. And if you're to go to even integrate it with selling of ebooks and other things, $150 with time, it is very easy for you. ChatGPT can easily help you in transcripting, you guys. From the time the introduction of ChatGPT and I came to know it, I've offloaded myself the struggle for transcripting. So with now really videos of YouTube are easier for me than ever before, because ChatGPT does for me from transcripting and even doing all the necessary things and drafting. So it is very good for businesses and for other things. Then the third is utilizing Google Trends for niche discovery, guys. You guys, Google Trends is a gold mine for finding high demand topics. You know that, as you know that Google is it's the first class, it's the best. And this is how you can use it to get your trending topics. What you do, you can go and get affiliate marketing. Like now, if you're a person who is on affiliate marketing, you're using links, you go to Google and search like the most trending item, like for example, what are people searching for? The moment you get to know what people are searching for, it is very easier for you to pitch your links. So you search for trending products or topics by using it, then you go and promote related products through affiliate programs like Amazon Associates, ClickBank. For example, like now, most people want to lose weight, including me. So we have been searching a lot of things. If you go even to, let's go there and check on Google Trends. If you put what are people searching most on losing weight, all will come, and when they come, you go and look for the products that are related to it. Hence, you can earn enough money. Also, content creation on Google Trends and niche discovery is very good. It creates blog posts and even YouTube videos which are very trending. If you go to check on my back end, I always use this. The key is to act fast. You ride the wave while the topic is still hot. Like now, when I checked yesterday, I found the TikTok topic was very hot. However much I delayed, but I found myself, at least I put something there. When you pair this strategy with Google Ads to promote your content and you drive the traffic, my God, you are going to thank me later. The fourth one is to use Google Search for freelance gigs and tools. Here, Google Search isn't just for browsing, you guys, you know that. I don't know whether you know it. I am using that, you know that. But it is a powerful way for opportunities and tools to boost your income. How does it boost your income? You find remote jobs. It can also discover free tools. So the moment you can find, and what else do you want really? That's what we want, to work from home, and also to find we can get free tools for doing work from home. Then the last but not least is monetizing YouTube ads with Google AdSense. This one I press for it. I've been really eating money or earning money from it for some now good time. Why? If you're already creating content on YouTube like me, now it is time to start over. This is how you can do. You can create niche videos, you can enable Google AdSense, you can run and start even affiliate links. With just 7,500 views a day, you can bank $150. Remember, I told you everything has a foundation, so start from today. So here you are the 5 remote ways to earn $150 is at your disposal. Let me know what you think in the